This soft slime is great for kids and only needs 3 ingredients. I chose to use some colored glue to make this recipe more appealing to the upcoming holiday. I used 1 bottle of green glue, gold glitter, 2½ tablespoons of contact solution, and 1½ cups of shaving cream. Add your glue to a bowl and stir in some glitter. Now add your shaving cream. Add the contact solution and continue to stir. Your kids are sure to love this color recipe. Make sure to store your slime in an airtight container. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.